Grocery shopping day. My list is short. We move in 13 days, so I'm just buying what we need to get by. Madeline's with me today, so let's go. Madeline just asked if I could drop her off at home when I'm done here before I go to Walmart. After she begged to come with me. We're gonna go in How much was it?
$59.19.
We got everything we needed in Aldi, so now we're off to Walmart. We don't need much there at all. 10 things to be specific, so let's go.
Mom, yeah.
That's a lot more than 10 items.
Mommy.
Madeline just crossed off phone charger and she goes, why does it say phone? So now we're doing an English lesson on the PH sounding like so fun. Hot. Got everything off our list and then some. She's a bad influence. We spent like $60 at Aldi and $85 at Walmart, which was a little more than I expected, but we needed some like higher ticketed items. Anyways, let's go home and Caleb's gonna carry it all in.